But that's probably why he popped off because of me.
Kill switch and land the gas for?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put it back on. You can deal with it.
Who knows what Raven Riley is? Anyone know what Raven Riley is?
Payne, you got it?
Yeah, what's that?
As soon as you get done with that, come to the back.
Oh, it's the back? Yeah, sure.
You know Raven Riley is? You know Raven Riley is?
Taking a picture?
I'm filming you.
Don't film me.
I'm doing it.
Fuck, man.
You've been trying to put this shit together for like 8 minutes now.
8 minutes, my ass.
The squad automatic weapon is taking them 28 minutes to put together.
It's also got a fucking strap on it, man.
29 million minutes to put it together.
Dude, this is a substantial fucking problem. Don't film me, man. Get out of here.
You're on candid camera. Sorry, my friend.
Are you gonna post this?
Oh, yeah.
To fucking embarrass my camera?
Show them how the Marine Corps gets down. SOI graduate, School of Infantry. Clearing the weapon. Make sure it functions.
It's not going on fire. Fucking wrong.
You got it?
Why'd you do that?